Hi, welcome. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to use Google Classroom as a student. So the first thing that you need to do is go to classroom.google.com. As you can see, there are no classes yet. You need to join first. Click the plus sign on the upper right corner of your screen and select Join a Class. You will be asked for a class code, which will be given to you by your teacher. So I'll be using this code for this tutorial. Make sure that your code is correct and then select join. You will be redirected to your classroom. The first thing that you're going to see is the stream. This is where you're going to see announcements from your teachers or from your classmates. You may also create an announcement here. Now let's go to the next part, which is the classwork. This is where you are going to see the materials that your teacher will post for your subject. Let's see the modules. In this section, you may read the materials that are uploaded or watch the videos that are linked in this post. So just open the material and you may start reading. Or you can just open the video and start watching. Let's proceed with the assignments. So we have here a practice assignments. These are very important. You need to submit your works if your teacher posted an assignment. So let's view the assignment. Okay, it says here you need to upload a document in this assignment. So if your teacher requires you to upload a Word file or an Excel file or a PowerPoint presentation, you have to submit by clicking this add or create. Click that. If you want to upload coming from your Google Drive, you select this. Or if you want to submit a link to your teacher, you have to press this. If you want to create new documents using Google Docs, Google Slides, you have your options here. You have your Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, and Drawings. But if you want to upload from your computer, you have to select File. So click File, and you will be asked to browse. So browse. Now find your assignment. So I will be uploading a document here. Okay, so I am now uploading one document, and one document is already there. However, it's not yet submitted. Before you completely submit your document, you have to turn it in first. So click turn in, then click turn in again, and you have already submitted your work. Now you can also unsubmit. Take for example, you want to edit your work or you want to add more documents. So just click unsubmit. So if you want to edit, you just remove your file and the file is no longer there. And if you want to re-upload the file or add more files to your submission, just repeat the process. Add or create, select file, then select browse. Find your assignments, find the documents that you're going to upload. This time I will be uploading 3 documents. Wait for it to be uploaded. And once it is uploaded, you have to turn it in. So press turn in. Then again, press turn in. And you have already submitted the documents for your assignment. Now let's check the other assignments. So we have here another practice assignment. This time, it requires us to upload the pictures. The process is actually same. We just press or select add or create, then select file, and then browse. So if you want to select picture, just click on the picture that you want to upload. So wait for it to be uploaded. And again, if you want to add more pictures, you can just select add or create, select files, select browse, and select all the pictures that you want to upload. So I am uploading multiple files here. That is okay. That is possible in Google Classroom. You can upload multiple files at the same time, and then you can turn it in already. So turn it in, and you have already submitted your assignment. Now let's check out the last assignment here, and it says a test assignment. So let's view the assignment. So it's not yet done. What you're going to do here is you need to open a Google form that is posted in this assignment. You're not required to upload anything here, but if your teacher needs you to upload one, then you have to add the file that is necessary. But for this example, there is a sample quiz that is in the form of a Google form. You have to select that, and then it will redirect you to the test. So make sure that you answer all the questions if that is a test. Read it properly. So we have one example here. This is a multiple choice test. You have to select an answer from the given options. So there, I select that answer. And then we also have here essay. So there. So you can give short answers, but you can elaborate. You can make an essay using your Google form. You can also see that the Google form is collecting emails. That is okay, so that your teacher could check you. Or if your teacher requires you to input your name, your surname, and your section, or your grade level, you have to also input those. You can also see here the points equivalent for your test question. So for this multiple choice question, this is a 1-point question. And then we have an essay. It's good for 9 points. After you finish filling out the Google form for your quiz, you have to submit. So the response has been submitted. You can view your score. So as you can see, the multiple choice is already checked. This is automatically checked. But for the essay, you have to wait for your teacher to read your essay before he or she can give you a score. So let's go back to the test assignment. Once you are finished, it will automatically submit your work. So you don't need to put mark as done, but of course, always check. Make sure that after you answer your quiz, you have to mark it as done. So go back to the classroom. The last thing that you need to know here is this section, people. This is where you're going to see your teachers as well as your classmates. So unfortunately, you do not have a classmate here, but if you are in a real Google Classroom, you will see your classmates, those who are enrolled in your class. Always look out for what your teacher will post, especially if the teacher will post a material or will post an activity. You have to submit. You can also see the deadline here. So for this practice assignment, there is a deadline. Practice assignment 2 also has a deadline. Test assignment has no due date. So that's okay. So you need to watch carefully for the deadline, because if you submitted late, your work will be marked late also. So that is all for Google Classroom for the students to use. Thank you very much for watching.